sir.
25,
Present,
26.
sir.
Okay, 26,
Present, sir. Present, sir.
27, 28,
Present, sir.
29, 29.
28 present.
Okay, 29, 30,
Present, sir.
31, 32,
Present, sir. 32.
33. Okay, 33, 34,
Present, sir.
35, 36,
34 present, sir.
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
38,
Present, sir.
Sir,
39,
37 present.
39, 40,
Present, sir.
41, 42, 43,
44 present,
40,
sir.
45,
Present, sir.
46, 47,
47 present, sir.
48,
Present, sir.
49,
Present, sir.
50, 50, 51,
Present, sir.
52,
Present, sir.
53,
Present, sir.
54,
Present, sir.
55, 56,
56 present, sir.
57,
Present,
So
sir.
56 present, sir.
58,
58 present, sir.
59,
558 present, sir.
Present, sir.
560 present, 561,
Present, sir.
562,
Present, sir.
563,
Present, sir.
64,
Present, sir.
65,
Present, sir.
66,
Yes, sir.
67,
Present, sir.
68,
Present, sir.
69,
Present, sir.
70,
Present, sir.
71,
Present,
72,
sir.
Present, sir.
73, 73, 74, 75,
Present, sir.
76,
Present, sir.
77,
Present, sir. 77 present, sir.
78,
Present, sir. 78 present, sir.
79,
Sir, 75 present, sir.
what are you doing? Okay. See, options are 22, 29, 34, 42, 46, 50, 55, 73. 79,
Sir, 50
Sir, 34
present.
present, sir.
Sir, 550 present.
okay.
Sir, 522 present,
522
sir.
present, sir.
570 present, sir.
555, 73, 42, 46, 29, 22.
73
Sir,
present,
Sir,
sir.
22 present, sir. 522 present, sir.
Okay. 42, 46. Okay, next we see. Mute all of you. Mute yourself, sir. Last class, we done actually 4 years. There is cosine of 1 by x square plus x square, then 4 years sine of x by x square plus x square. This we done actually. You won't take directly from there we take equals we take, then you do. Now actually important question is what the convolution theorem. Using convolution theorem, one part theory you can note down, then possibility. From using based on we do the some problems. Just you can take down convolution theorem. we completed a convolution theorem actually last class? Hello? Oh, exam, last class. Okay. If f of x and g of x, f of x and g of x are any two functions defined in minus infinity comma plus infinity, then the convolution of these two functions defined by convolution theorem. No, take down, sorry. If that is, can strike down actually. Theorem not required. Convolution theorem for the Fourier transform will go. If capital F of s and g of s if capital F of s and g of s are the Fourier transforms of small f of x and g of s. So meaning is what? F of x to be f of s, f of g of s to be g of s, respectively. Then the Fourier transform of the convolution of f of x, g of x is Fourier transform of convolution of f of x and g of x is the product of their Fourier transform. Means see, convolution of product of Fourier transform of f of and g is equal to product of their transforms. So what is the meaning actually? Actually, they are doing two functions only. Suppose while doing the research, something means what you will have bunch of functions. That time you are not able to Fourier of f of g1, g2, g3 up to 100 functions, 200 functions, 300 functions. Is what that time will convolution will be help us. In Laplace transform also you have done convolution. Remember, I don't know. So this after I write f of, if I able to write 2 as a product, then I can write this is equal to directly f of s into g of s. This is the main advantage of the convolution theorem. Correct or not? So if we have a bunch of functions product, I can attack separately, then I can add multiply. So directly I will get it. So there are a lot of research is there. This directly I cannot say this is true like this. Lot of things they have done, they have proved. So we have taken for granted. As I told you, what we have only juice only. This we are enjoying. Then note down this next important is Parseval's identity. Already Parseval's identity where you have studied, tell me. In this semester you have studied what is the Parseval's identity? Where you have studied? Are you hearing me? Hello? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You already studied Parseval's identity where? Studied on at Parseval's identity. In Fourier series, what you will do? F of x whole square is put up in you, right? A naught square by 2 plus a square by 2 plus bn square sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity studied on that. Already there we done two problems. 5 to the power of 4 by 90 and 5 to the power of 90, 96. Remember, and I told you, remember, 4 values you throw out your semester. These two we completed actually. This is also using Fourier transforms. Yes, cos s minus s cos s by s cube into cos s by 2 is equal to 3 pi by 16. Up to these three values we done. Then fourth fellow now we will enter actually. So correct or not? So guarantee one question you will get. This is also what Parseval's identity for x we do even function actually. Mod x we take as a cos, but x square we do cosine series means these two values we get. This is for Fourier transform. Now this is you will get from the Parseval's identity. Note down Parseval's identity. If f of x is given function, if f of x is a given function, note down defined in minus infinity comma plus infinity, then it satisfies its identity f of x is defined in minus infinity comma plus infinity, then it satisfies identity minus infinity to plus infinity f of x whole square dx is equal to f of x, where who is f of x? Fourier transform of x, f of x. That term. Now take very important question. Problem is very important problem, very big problem. I will do, don't worry. Show that Fourier transform of f of x is equal to a square minus x square mod x less than a 0 mod x greater than a is root 2 by 5. Sorry. Tan as a is cos as by x cube. Hence deduce that reduce that 0 to infinity sin t minus e of t by dt dt is equal to pi by 4. Using Pascal's identity, show that 0 to infinity sin t minus t cos t by dt whole square dt is equal to pi by 4. Now we see what is asking for this fellow Fourier transform of f of x is equal to, you can prove this. Hence deduce means what you will do. What I told you, hence deduce means what you will do. Using this result, what you will do? Hence, if they ask in Fourier transforms, use the inverse transforms. Using the inverse transform, you will get this. Okay. Then next, what is asking? Using Pascal's identity, this fellow is going to pi by 15. Our last fellow has come. Our last fellow is not pi by 15. Very important. One thing you can remember. Suppose if they ask find the Fourier transforms, this I am using this means these two. There is no interlink inverse actually. If they ask this only, you can come and use the inverse formula. You will get. Once if you get the inverse, again from here only you can find out. From here you can take. Taking or not? Now one by one. The same problem we done. Tell me where we are done. First problem, what problem we done? Can you tell me? Very first problem, 3 pi by 16 I proved. What is the problem? Question is what? Sir, are you there or not? People are there or not? Say yes or no at least.
Yes, sir.
Don't know means you can say don't know. First problem, what problem we done? What we have done first problem? Tell me. F of x is equal to 1 minus x square, mod x less than 1, mod x greater than 1 is equal to 0. Hence prove that sin x, sorry, sin t or sin whatever t cos t by t cube t cos x by 2 is cos s by 2 is equal to 3 by 15. We done that one. Huh? Here is stuff. One who is there actually? A is there. The again old story only. We are not doing any new bombastic problems. Again we are doing the same story. Now we can start to the problem. First you can find Fourier transforms. Mod x less than a is my limit running from where to where. I don't want to do deep explanation, already you know. Mod x less than a is my limit is running from where to where? Tell me. Runs from where to where? Minus a to a. This is mod x greater than a is what? Minus limit to minus a, then a to infinity. For both places it's a 0. Getting or not? So what is the difference for that problem, this problem? Only thing is what? 1 minus x square, I have a square. Put a is equal to 1, go back to continue, I will get that fellow. Reaching or not? Okay, one slowly I will do. You don't wait for me. If you know, you can start do. Those who are very we are not confident, you can see. But start to on the same story. This answer I don't want to see what are very slowly I will get it. See. So this fellow waste. Whole domain different, but in domain minus infinity to a is waste, a to infinity is waste. So where I am standing only minus a to a only I am standing. My value will be stands a to a. This also I told you, don't go for the by parts. Some people they will use e power isx. This you can do differential part, this will be integral 2, after this you do. Finally they will end. If there is anywhere if you see e power ix means what anywhere I need my answer cos and sin, that e power ix how can I write? How can I write? Sir, all are sleeping after lunch, I think so. Tomorrow you have any exam at 9 to 10:30? Are you having an exam 9 to 10:30?
Yes, sir.
CSE students, they have got exam, they are telling class is there. So now 9 to 10:30 exam for all secondary students then. Okay, yeah. What exam? I think different subject. Okay, no problem. Okay. Now this, what I will write, slowly I will write. Minus infinity. Sir, these all videos are available in our channel playlist. Just go and see. In classroom videos also separate playlist I am adding actually. Separate in our channel, separate SRMIST, GMeet, then computer science, CSCA, K1 and the ECI session. Separate playlist is there that you can go and check that with the date, what class we are discussing, everything available. Rather than that, separate windows, all unit is there for your class. Minus infinity to plus infinity. Sorry, not minus. Minus a to plus a square minus x square. This e power ix I will write cos sx plus I sin sx dx. That is very, very important. Are you able to see that side? That line? Okay, your board is visible or not? What at the top you are able to see or not? Is that you can tell us, sir, if you are not seeing or
Cladding, sir.
Cladding, sorry, I'm asking. That this side, okay, yeah?
Yes, sir. This side okay.
Up here, okay. I think there is light glaring is there. It should be
Yes,
glaring.
sir.
Okay. And you do this side and you don't go there, okay? Copy it up here. Now, I will separate it. So, this is what in above integral, first term is what? Even function of who? Xi, SR. Even function of what? Sir, make some sound, sir. Then only I am happy. Classroom is I will see all of you what are doing. Make sound, yes or no. This is what? First term is what? Even function of what? Xi, SR. Second is what? Odd function of x. Then first integral will become twice of 0 to a. Second integral will become vanish. Second integral 0. So second integral 0. Not now, so now you can do integral Bernoulli's formula. Bernoulli's formula is what? One fellow you can keep as is, one fellow you can integrate. Minus what you integrated, same fellow you can integrate it. What you not integrated, differentiate. Integration, differentiation, integration, differentiation, plus minus. Till completing the problem, last step, don't simplify that in between steps. I told you or not? So, what you get? A square minus x square you can keep as is. Cos sx integration is what? S minus. What you integrated, same thing you can do. Minus cos sx by s square. What you not integrated, you can differentiate. Plus, again what you integrated, say you can integrate differentiate. Coming to this, minus sin sx by s cube, then minus 2. If you do another time, minus 2 will become 0. Correct or not, see? Now we see, if you substitute upper limit means what? A square minus a square is what? Base. Lower limit put x is equal to 0, sin 0, base. So totally this fellow base. Then who will stand? These two terms only stands. Here also lower limit base, only upper limit only stands. Lower limit is what? X0, sin 0, 0 means base. Only upper limit only stands. Correct or not? Now apply the limits. Okay, first I will see. Now we can simplify. Why are the limit we simplify? This what? Minus 2 minus plus, if you write here plus this collapse actually. That's it. With this fellow whole fellow can bring here and integrate. Now we can simplify. How many minuses are there? 1, 2, 3. Here how many? 2. Clear enough? Then what can we do? That is plus down. I will write first. 2 sin x by s cube minus 3 minuses minus 2x cos sx by s square 0 to a. Anyway, lower limit base, upper limit only stands. If you apply upper limit, what you get? These two also you can take if you want. If you want to take LCM, if you want you can cancel this, it will become 2 root 2 by 5. Then if you take LCM as 2 means sin AS minus AS cos AS. This is equal to what? So, hence first part proved. Hence, first part proved. So this is only asking check if you want. I don't have to see the answer also. What is asking? 2 root 2 by sin AS AS cos A by S2. Fourier transform of this fellow is equal to this completely. Then second is something is asking sin t minus t cos t by t cube dt is equal to pi by 4. Okay, that result also no problem. I can prove slowly. Now right. By this you can remember. Clear about here. Right. Using inverse Fourier transform, what do we mean? 1 by root 2 pi minus infinity to infinity f of x e power minus I ds. Very, very important. Inverse means what? With respect to s you can do, not x. Transform is x, this with respect to x you can do. So, what you will do? But f of x who is this fellow is f of x. Substitute it slowly. Then this is what 2 root 2 by 5 minus infinity plus infinity sin AS minus AS cos AS. Sir, very, very important question. Again, I'm telling you. How many of you copied or I don't know? Simply, I am only shouting here. No response. Then root 2 cancel. Root pi into root pi. So this fellow is equal to. This is equal to what? F of x. Then this is equal to 2 by 5 minus infinity to infinity. Nowhere I am doing integration. First time I will do. Remaining term story I will write. Minus AS cos AS by x cube. If you want, you can do this 2 by 5, bring this 8, pi by 2 f of x. So, here. Copied everyone. Shalaba. Hello. Sir. Are you there or not? All of you there or not? Very bad, sir. Behaving in the up and down, very bad. Talk something. you can take pi by 2 f of x, you can keep one side. Why I will tell you. Finally, I want to do something. That time I will use that f of x. Okay. Now, this e power minus I x, how can you write? Same story, one story. Cos x minus I sin x. Again, same story. This fellow into this fellow, if you take, the integral is what? Even function of this. This fellow into this fellow, if you take, odd function of this. Then first integral become twice of that fellow, second integral become vanish. So all writing after all story, I will get here. This I'm skipping steps. 2 into 0 to infinity. Sin as minus ax cos ax by s2 cos sx s plus 0 is equal to pi by 2 f of x. This 2 also if you want you can take that same. I think I reached the answer. I want to prove this fellow is equal to pi by 4. But what is the answer? Read, check, all of you read. What is the answer? Tell me what I want to prove that. Tell me. What is the answer? Something I proved. What is my answer? Tell me. What I want to prove that? Sin t minus t cos t by s cube is equal to pi by 4. Okay, dummy variable. S also I will write as a t. But who is the disturbance term here? Who is disturbance term? Sir, everyone is there or not? Hello? All of you there or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me. So, what I want to write? Sin t minus t cos t by s cube cos, that is what cos s I want to do. So, what you will do now? There's something we proved actually, cos s by 2 we proved. There, first problem. Here, cos s I want to make it 1. So, what you will do? What you will do? Mute, sir. Yes. What you will do? Sir, all of you mute yourself. If you know the answer, you can tell. All of you mute yourself. Cos sx. So what do you write here? Put x is equal to 0. A is equal to 1. What is my f of x? Mute yourself. I'm receiving lot. Of x is what? A square minus x square mod x x less than a, that is 0, mod x greater than a. Now I am putting a is equal to 1 is what? 1 minus x square, mod x less than 1, then mod x greater than 1. Correct or not? And a is equal to 1. Then f of 0 means what? Who will come? A is equal to 1, f of 0 means what? 1 I will get. So this fellow is 1, x is equal to 0. And whatever. Look at yourself, sir. Some disturbance coming. Abhinesh Kumar, mute your mic. Abhinesh, mute your mic. See, here actually 1 minus x square, a is equal to 1 means 1 minus x square, and mod x less than a. Then f of 0 means what? 1 minus x square will come, put x is equal to 0, f of 0 is equal to 1. This will become 1, this is equal to 1, then a will be moved. So my whole problem becomes what? I write here. So this is what actually in integration dummy variable. Put s is equal to 2, nothing will happen. 0 to 1 x square dx is equal to same thing. 0 to 1 t square dt also same thing. Nothing will happen. Limits are same, shapes are same. That's called dummy variable. So here what you will get? Change s is equal to t. So hence proved second part. Correct or not? Now third part is what? Using partial sign I want to prove that. Partial signing is what? There is no the second part and third part relation. From first to third you can come. From first to second you can come. Second if they ask only you can go for second. Otherwise first if you get first Fourier transform of that function is what? Keep there and you can do. Getting or not? Now come on. Second part is what? Now, by partial serenity, clear about by partial serenity, what do we get actually? Minus infinity to infinity. F of x whole square is equal to minus infinity to infinity. F of x whole square dx. This is dx. What is my f of x? A square minus x square. That function running from minus a to a. So minus a to a square minus x square dx. F of x not in not actually 2 by root 2 by x. So 2 by root 2 by sin ax minus as cos ax by cube. So whole square I want to. Reaching or not? But actually in answer there is no A, so put A is equal to 1. So what do you get? Whole square. This is what? 2 square, 4, 4 by 2, 5 will get. Yes. This is also the one. Now this term you can keep, this you can integrate, spare and integration. This even function, I can write 2 into 0 to 1. This also if you want you can write into function 0 to infinity. Price you will get. You can cancel. Pi by cos if you want you can change this side. This side you can change this is 0 to infinity. Sin s minus s cos s by s cube whole square ds is equal to what if you bring this side pi by 2. 1 minus x square whole square expand. 1 minus x square what will be 1. This x to the power of 4 minus 2x square dx. Almost I reach. See, nowhere I am doing integration. Just I am writing. We know that formula only apply. This you can keep this side. So maybe we can finalize that as it because dummy variable. Indefinite variable is dummy. So what I want to take is 5 by 15. So answer if I get 2 by 15, my job is over. So integration of x plus x power 5 by 5 minus 2x2 by 8 to 0 to 1. Lower integration, one upper limit only stands. Proved. So second result also proves very important question. Almost we are reaching to the end point. Copy down this. Very important question. Any doubts in this question? Anyone having doubts? Tell me, sir. Completed, all of you. Again, options are 29, 42, 46, 55, 73. Okay. Next class we start fresh. Up to this you can copy. Will copy all of you. This problem what we are doing. First we are doing the Fourier transforms. From the Fourier transforms using inverse Fourier transforms, I proved actually 5/4. Suppose if they ask using partial sign degree means what? There is no need to go for the inverse. First we can find Fourier transform. From there we can come to the third part. Reaching or not? So there is no relation between first, second, third. It's not a rule can continuously do all three. Depend on question. If they ask some people, they will ask what they will ask. Find the Fourier transforms or using if they without asking anything also directly third answer also if they give me what you have to find Fourier transforms using partial sign you will get this. There is no inverse rule. Getting or not? Similarly, if they ask using the hence they use some 5/4 is there. No, from there you can go for the inverse transforms. Using inverse transforms, come to the second result. Once if you get the second result, forget about the what? Fourier inverse. Then first and third. From first you will get third. Using the Fourier, this is what? Partial sign. Okay. So up to enough. Next class we do remaining problems. So another 2-3 problems are there. Then we go for the jet transforms. Next class, some few mostly by next class I will complete this unit, I hope. So remaining we do then. Okay, we stop here. Then those are recording, you can stop record, sir. Okay, I myself will stop.